So we got some few packages from FASHIONOVA. I am super excited. All of these stuff that I bought was in the sale box, of course. We love a sale box, and most of the times when I'm buying from FASHIONOVA, I just go in the sale box and I just randomly look for things that are like cheap. So these packages are just some random stuff. I think they were under $5, some was $10. I think less than $10. Nothing in my packages was more than $10 or $15, I think. So all of these, like I said, sale box. So we're gonna get into the first fit, and this cute off the shoulder top. Now let me tell you, I don't think I read it properly because it's giving sweater vibes. This is like a December winter type of vibe, and don't ask me why. I don't know. I guess I didn't check the material description of it, but I still like it. It's cute. I don't know, I still like it. Do you guys like it? And I like the little, marble here. So it's definitely giving, I don't know, I can definitely wear this on a date tonight because it's half the shoulder. Show your bone structure and all those lovely stuff. So yeah, so this was a top, and I'm also wearing this wide-legged jeans. Let me tell you guys how much I paid for it. $9, and it's so cute. So this is size 1, and the waist is definitely still big for me, so a size 0 will work for me too in FASHIONOVA jeans. But they did not have 0, so I just got the 1 because I'm getting a nice quality jeans for $9. You're really gonna add it to cart. So yeah, it's non-stretch wide-legged jeans. I really like it. You guys probably can't even see, so let me bring down the camera and show you guys. There's more of the jeans. Hope you guys can see. Really like it. Oh, there's something in the back. Yeah, this is the fit. Love it. All right, let's show you guys the second fit. So the next fit that we are working with is this cute mini denim dress. I love a jeans dress, y'all. Like, give me a jeans dress and sneakers vibe, that's me. So it definitely has these, diamond stuff on them. It fits really good. The size is, got it in a small, and it's $6.98. So let's run it off to $7. But this, let me show you guys the back as well. So you have the diamond coming all around, and yeah, I'm not going to do no adjustments on this at all. It fits really good. It doesn't need to be tightened or anything like that. So yeah, love it. What do you guys think? So cute. And remember, I got it in a sale box somewhere that it may be sold out, but I'm still gonna add the links if I can. And you just click notify me when back in stock, and then you get that email and stuff. So yeah, this is it. This is giving snatched. This is giving body. Hold on, I feel like my camera is lean. Yeah, this dress is giving, we're going to the club. We outside this summer. This is what this dress is giving. Listen, I haven't bought like a club type of dress in a long time, so I really like this. So let me tell you the price that I paid. So this was $7. So this is in a small, and the details of this dress, the design is has a long sleeve here, and then just this shoulder vibe showing. I love it. This is definitely giving a club vibe. It's not too short, a little bit below my big buttocks area. So I love it. When I'm gonna head to the club, when I know I'm going out to the club on a Friday or Saturday night, I'm definitely drawing with this dress. Definitely love it. Cute. I'm wondering, I do have a brunch tomorrow, but this is not giving brunch vibe. I want to be very cute, and this is not giving brunch vibe. So we're not gonna do this for brunch tomorrow. But I'm just saying, I love this dress. Yeah. on to the next. So the next fit that we are in is this cute, just black mini dress, long sleeve, just very casual. You literally can wear this anywhere, out on a date, for dinner, you know, Friday night lounge flex, like very cute. Definitely gives the vibes of heels or sneakers, whichever your preference is, or sandals. So yeah, it's just very cash and mini. The price that I paid for it was $6. Yeah, so just very good material. I think it's cotton. Let me just double check. Yeah, so it's a cotton dress, and then you have the zipper at the front as well. So yeah, it's just very cash. Yeah, literally can just pull this out of my closet and bam, wear it to my Isle of Souls that I love to wear. Love to go every Sunday too. So it's definitely a cute, very simple dress. This is a final piece. It's a nice hoodie mini dress. Cute. Love it. Love it. It has a hoodie right here as well. Put it on to show you guys. It's giving good vibe, right? Love it. Love it. It feels good too. The material is so good, and I'm just loving. I'm glad it's just a dress, like a cute mini dress. I paid $5.48, so $5.50 for this. Very cute and nice. I have worn this before. I'm not sure which video I'll post first, if posting the movie video first or this first, guys. I have no idea which I'm gonna post first, but this video, I'm planning to wear this to the movies, so we don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah, very nice. So this is that's it for my Fashion Nova quick sale box. Like, anytime I say, okay, yeah, I have a little $30 I want to spend, I just rush and go into the sale box and just buy random stuff, because they really do work. I got the jeans, dresses, like definitely can mix and match. And you know, when I have places to go, have something new to grab, because we do need to put some new stuff in our closet. So we're building it. So we're trying to change our style a little bit more, you know, classy vibe. I'm always wearing long sleeve blouses, by the way. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed it, but I love like a long sleeve blouse type of vibe. But anyways, yeah, this is the end of the little fashionable haul. Yeah, this is the new Kerry. This is the new Honest to Kerry. I am giving Curly Sue. Oh my god, I don't like my hair. Guys, short hair and I do not work. Like, give me all the long straight hair. That is my vibe. But I think I'm gonna put it behind my ears, because I think it looks better when I put my hair behind. Like, this curly, it's giving curly vibe. It's giving auntie in the 90s, and we don't like that. Anyways, we're dressed obviously in a swimsuit, and I am heading to a boat ride event today, Saturday morning. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I don't think it wasn't advertised as a soca event, but it's gonna be a lot of soca based on who the promoter is. It's gonna be like a whole full-on soca event. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys my full fit. The theme of the boat ride is shades of blue, so I figured let me just get this top. So I think I may have done a haul. I don't remember if I did do a haul. This top is from FASHIONOVA. I don't like the bottom, and I wouldn't have worn it either way because it, you know, the sale box, okay, and I don't want to be going to the event and me and the person in the same swimsuit, so I opted to just wear the top only, and yeah, switch it up a bit. We like to switch it up. Sometimes I don't like to matchy because when you matchy, that's when, you know, you and somebody's gonna be in the same fit. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos so far. The last vlog I posted, oh my god, I don't remember. That is so bad. But anyways, comment down below. I'm not seeing the comments, but you know, I would like to, you know, you guys comment down below on my videos and just let me know what y'all thinking of the vlogs. Anyways, I am ready. The boat, they start boarding at 10 a.m. and it's supposed to leave at 11 a.m. but us Jamaicans, I know they're not going to leave at 11, but I want to still be there early so I can get a nice cup, and if they're giving away food, that would be nice. I did have breakfast this morning. I had tea and some eggs and plantain. But yeah, that's about it. So show you guys the full fit and then we're gonna head out of here.
Show me the car when you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The top that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams.
What's up, guys? So I have been out of a phone for over the weekend. I went to the boat ride event that I did, like show you guys a few clips, and after we dock on the island to come off the boat and go over to the island, my phone got wet. It was inside my bag, but apparently I didn't close the bag properly, so water got into my phone. So today's Tuesday and I'm just getting back my phone today. I gave the technician from Monday and it was ready today. Thank God for that. I am happy that it's fixed and I can still use it until the girl purchased a new phone. And this phone was given okay, I'm gonna be a little bit superstitious right now, because for the past couple of months this phone has been giving me problem. Like last month I fixed it, in February I fixed it, and I think last year 2024, I think the latter part of 2024, something happened to it too. So I'm an ex of some. If you are a sir, please leave the local phone alone. The same. But like I said, happy it's all fixed. So I'm going to a sparkling wine tasting thingy at Janga's. It's a paid thing, you have to pay to go in. So yeah, I'm gonna try some whatever it is. I think it's sparkling. They said wine or something tasting experience. Sparkling wine tasting experience. You know what, I don't remember what it is, but I'm just gonna get dressed. I think my face is looking a little bit too white, but we're gonna fix that. I'm still trying, while I was doing my makeup, I'm still trying to figure out what am I going to wear. I still haven't figured it out yet, but I'm gonna get dressed and then come back to you guys. I'm not gonna be dressing up, but I definitely had to put on a little makeup. My face is breaking out. I think the heat and the sun and all of that is getting to my face. I'm gonna have to buy some products on my face and work on it, because the face has to, it's summer. Summer is approaching, so the face has to look good. Okay, the face has to be good. We have to take care of the skin. So I'm thinking to get some products and all of that. So that's that. My hands are so dry. Wow. We are all ready and we're dressing very casual today. I'm just wearing this dress that I got from FASHIONOVA. You guys would have probably already saw that haul. I'm just a regular black dress and bag, and I'm wearing my sandals here. Yeah, I don't know why I have on this gray sandals, but I can't bother change it. Yeah, so this is what we're working with. I really need to fix my hair. The hair is giving curly to an auntie, and I know I need to fix it, and we're gonna work on that this weekend. Anyway, let's head out because it's almost 10 and the thing finishes at midnight, I think. Yeah, let's go. Oh, by the way, don't mind homegirl here, this Linky person.